I wish you a good morning. Forget all stress and strife. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. Every day's a blessing. Good things are still to come. Another day in paradise. Good morning, everyone. Count your blessings. First of all, when you wake up, be positive, follow your dreams, make your life good enough. Gonna put the kettle on, nice coffee just for me. Gonna start the day right, with my love right next to me. I wish you a good morning.